above ground, I met this little spiky friend getting his own 5-star tasting flight. Folks call him chili, but he just calls it dinner. First course, a slider the size of his face. Hear that crunch? Then a blueberry. He treats it like it's a grape. Nice and slow. Scrambled eggs keep things fluffy. And of course...
Comfort food, and look who scored the booth. This little Hedgie's got a spread fit for a road movie. First up, a blueberry pancake stack. Watch the technique. One chomp, two, gone. Followed by a slider half his size. Listen to that crunch on the tater tot. Clean it with a sip of milk. Dessert, mini donut, cinnamon sugar, gone in 2 bites.
Back in Brooklyn, my buddy here, the spiky one, gets the VIP treatment. Look at that spread. She starts with watermelon. Sweet, cold, goes straight to the crunch track. Hear that? She loves it. Next up, a blueberry bigger than her nose. Tiny paws, big ambition, and because it's America, we finish with a slider. Sesame seed.
Juicy. Pancake next, sweet and sticky. Now the little burger. Crunchy lettuce, perfect bite. Blueberry for dessert. I'm stuffed. Thanks for hanging out with me.